Have you ever been driving normally when your engine suddenly stalls? Or maybe your car cranks but refuses to start? Before you blame the battery or fuel pump, the real problem could be a tiny sensor hidden near your engine. The crankshaft position sensor plays a critical role by telling your engine computer exactly where the crankshaft is and how fast it's spinning. Without this information, your engine can't properly control fuel injection or spark timing. In today's Fix Pro Garage video, we'll show you 6 common signs of a failing crankshaft position sensor, explain why they happen, and give you quick fixes that may save you from an expensive. Sign number 1. Hard starting or no start. One of the earliest symptoms of a failing crankshaft position sensor is hard starting, or no start at all. Every time you turn the key, the engine computer waits for the crankshaft sensor to tell it exactly where the pistons are. Only then can it inject fuel and fire the spark plugs at the correct time. If the sensor stops sending an accurate signal, your engine may crank normally but never start. Sometimes the car starts after several attempts. Other times, it won't start until the sensor cools down. Quick fix. Start by checking the sensor connector for loose pins, corrosion, or damaged wiring. Then scan the vehicle using an OBD-II scanner to see if crankshaft sensor codes are stored. Sign number 2. A failing crankshaft position sensor can also cause your engine to stall unexpectedly. As the sensor heats up, its internal electronics may begin to fail. The signal sent to the engine computer becomes weak or disappears completely. Without crankshaft information, the ECU immediately shuts off fuel injection and spark. The engine dies instantly. After cooling down, the sensor may begin working again, making the problem difficult to diagnose. Quick fix. If your engine stalls repeatedly, avoid driving long distances. Replacing the sensor early is much cheaper than paying for a tow truck or risking an accident. Sign number 3. Check engine light comes on. Another very common warning sign is the check engine light. When the ECU detects missing or inconsistent crankshaft signals, it stores diagnostic trouble codes. Common codes include P0335, P0336, P0337, P0338, P0339. These codes don't always mean the sensor itself is bad. Sometimes damaged wiring, poor electrical connections, or a faulty connector can trigger the same codes. Quick fix. Always inspect the wiring before replacing the sensor. Clear the codes after repairs and test drive the vehicle to see if they return. Sign number 4. Rough idle or engine misfires. If your engine suddenly starts shaking while idling or feels rough during acceleration, the crankshaft position sensor may be providing incorrect timing information. Because ignition timing depends on precise crankshaft position, even a slight error can cause spark plugs to fire too early or too late. The result is engine misfires, vibration, hesitation, and reduced fuel efficiency. Quick fix. Inspect the wiring around the sensor. Since it's usually located near hot engine components, heat damage is fairly common. Sign number 5. Poor acceleration and loss of power. Another symptom is sluggish acceleration. If the ECU can't accurately determine crankshaft position, it may reduce engine power to protect internal components. Some vehicles even enter limp mode, limiting acceleration and engine speed. You may notice the car struggles to climb hills or takes much longer to reach highway speeds. Quick fix. Inspect the sensor area for oil leaks, dirt buildup, or metal shavings that could interfere with the magnetic signal. Sign number 6. The final warning sign is hesitation or power loss at higher RPM. As engine speed increases, the crankshaft position sensor must send signals thousands of times every minute. A weak sensor may fail to keep up. The engine may hesitate, misfire, jerk, or suddenly lose power during hard acceleration. Many drivers first notice this while overtaking another vehicle or entering a highway. Quick fix. If wiring and connectors look good but the symptoms continue, replacing the crankshaft position sensor is usually the best solution. Choose a quality replacement designed specifically for your vehicle. A failing crankshaft position sensor may seem like a small problem, but it can quickly leave you stranded if ignored. Recognizing these warning signs early can help you avoid expensive repairs and unexpected breakdowns. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Fix Pro Garage, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly automotive repair guides and maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.